SwiftPlumbers customer number 1251-1531. Pipe repair. That's an 1.25" PVC main line coming from the street, which is well. Reduced it down to 1.5" or up to 1.5" to make the repair there. What we had was crack in the fitting there on the 1.25" PVC that flooded the place. It is back and filled up the septic from the leak. We're back in the bushes there. Our well is out by the street out there and flooded everything. Repairs made, water's back on.